Sprinting to the future of law. All we imagine as light, brightening our life through photonics. Part 3. Who would be interested in photonics? In the previous part of this issue, we discussed India's story with photonics. In this part, we will talk about who could be interested in photonics. In addition to the communications sector, which benefits the most from high-speed, reliable data transmission provided by photonics technologies, many other sectors would be interested in them. Here are some of them. In healthcare and life sciences sector, photonics will enable real-time optical transmission of very high-quality images and videos for telemedicine and remote surgeries, laser-based procedures and treatment to cure many diseases and anomalies, extremely high-resolution imaging devices and image processing for diagnostics. In the transportation sector, photonics will facilitate LiDAR-based autonomous driving and intelligent and connected road infrastructure. For the utilities industries, photonics provides photovoltaic cell-based solar power plants and more effective and efficient grid management in situations involving very high level of electromagnetic fields. For the consumer electronics, photonics enables TV panels, video projectors, holography, and interactive entertainment. For the defense sector, photonics provides night vision, precision munition, recon surveillance, and high-energy laser weapons. For the manufacturing sector, it enables agile and precision manufacturing and digital twins of assembly lines and supply chain. These were just a few examples of the usefulness of photonics. In fact, there is no sector or services in today's world that will not be affected by photonics. In the next part of this issue, we will discuss some legal and regulatory issues with photonics.